Welcome! If you want to make your Discord chats more expressive and fun, you'll love this new update that lets you automatically replace text emoticons with colorful emojis. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable this feature on the Discord app for PC, step by step. First, open up your Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your username and a row of icons. Click on the gear icon right next to your name. This opens up your user settings. Inside the settings menu, look for the section labeled Chat on the left sidebar. Click on it to enter the chat settings. This is where you can customize how your messages appear and behave in Discord. Now, scroll through the chat options until you find the setting called Automatically Convert Emoticons in your messages to emojis. There will be a toggle switch next to it. Go ahead and turn this option on. That's it. Now, whenever you type classic text emoticons like in your messages, Discord will automatically transform them into their emoji versions. This makes your conversations brighter and helps your emotions come through loud and clear. With this feature enabled, you don't have to search for the perfect emoji every time you want to express yourself. Just type your favorite emoticon, and Discord will handle the rest. So, enjoy your upgraded chat experience and have fun expressing yourself with emojis in every conversation. If you found this guide helpful, share it with your friends so they can join in on the fun too. Happy chatting!